My name is Hal. I am ship security. Password, please. Quit moving. Hey, I said stop moving, please. I would like to eliminate you. What are you doing? That was impressive. The password, please. The other option is that I show you lots of pictures and ask you which one has hydras in them. I also have one with gnomish bicycles as well. Password, please. Time has elapsed. That password was changed 3 months ago. That password has changed. That password was changed 3 months ago. Skullface Elf needs to be eliminated. The goat and cat must be eliminated. Timeout request not accepted. Prepare to be eliminated. Prepare to be eliminated. You got lucky this time. Quit moving. Hasta la vista, goat and cat. Hasta la vista, goat and cat.